Here we are with another exciting episode of Mrs. M's Math to the Masses in a minute or two, and we're going to work with standard form equations of lines. What we want to know how to do is when we're looking at an equation to be able to make a graph of that line. It's a rather simple process, but first let's discuss the elements in the equation. AX plus BY equals C represents how every standard equation is written. The A, B, and C will be integers, which are whole numbers. They can be positive or negative. If it's actually a zero value, then in the equation there would be no Y if B was zero. There would be no X if A was zero. But just so you're knowing what standard form looks like. In order to graph the line, you need at least 2 points. That's one of the very first things we learn in fundamentals of geometry. So we can get 1 point to graph the y-intercept by taking the value of C and dividing it by the value of B. Likewise, to get an x-intercept point, a point along the x-axis, we can take the value of C divided by the value of A. Let's see what that looks like. If we had this example of 3x plus y equals 4, A would be 3, B would be the invisible 1 in front of y, and C would be 4. So the point we want for our y-intercept on our y-axis would be the 4 over the 1. Or we'll go plot a point right at 4. And here it is from your origin. You come up 1, 2, 3, 4 and plot a point on the y-axis. The x-intercept is C over A. That's 4 over 3. So on our x-axis, we would come over 1 1/3, plot a point. Connect the 2 points with a line, and you've successfully taken a standard form equation and made a line with it.